Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change default account for contacts on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on contacts. Once you are here, you want to go all the way down to default account. And here you can select between those accounts which you have added right here in this section, and how to add an account. We have another video on our channel how to do it, so be pleased to search for that video and get to know. So here in different account you can select between those accounts that you have added. And also the default account means if you're going to add a contact, by the default it is going to be signed to the account that you have chosen here earlier. So make sure you choose the main account that you use all the time, so it is going to be the best for you. So this is it. This is how you can change the default account of contacts on iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!